To make good decisions inside of an organization, it is important that you can filter an idea successfully down the inverted pyramid. Starting from the top, here are the levels of decision making. Number 1, stakeholder and shareholder value creation. Above all, everyone inside the organization has the job of adding value for the stakeholders and shareholders. This means that whether any of us like it or not, businesses are designed to make money. And that fact insists that we view everything through the lens of the bottom line and the promotion of the bottom line. Number 2, organizational impact. It is imperative to analyze impact on the organization, its ability to function, and its ability to produce. Does solving one problem create 6 others elsewhere? Also, organization level impact analysis helps create scenarios where buy-in and implementation can occur. Number 3, organizational goal alignment. Beyond impact, an organization's goal must be aligned, at least in part, with any major decision. Goals help us focus on the important few things and help us ignore the unimportant many. If a decision conflicts, it's hardly worth considering. Number 4, department alignment. If something adds value from the top down, then it is important to recognize if there is a value add for the department. Will this decision make the department more efficient, productive, or profitable? Number 5, personal achievement. Finally, does the decision help add value for the individual? Not only from the perspective of whether the decision will enhance a particular part of the job, but rather whether the decision will help that individual and their brand in the organization.